Do this once a week on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll give you guys a tip which you will need to follow every week. Now, this is for your memory, for your software, and for your battery health. So let's get started. First thing that you'll need to do is the standard restart or reboot. So what this does is whenever you are on your iPhone, so let's head over to our settings, go to general and scroll down all the way. There you'll find shutdown option. Simply tap on shutdown and shut your iPhone down. What this will do is this will simply reboot your iPhone, and doing that your iPhone's memory and software and battery health will altogether be better. Now I'll give you guys more detailed instruction later or more detailed reasons later. So let's move on to the next thing. Now the next thing that you'll need to do is a hard reset or a forced restart. So for this you'll need to quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. And when the Apple logo appears, you can simply release the side button. After doing that, your iPhone will force restart, and after doing that you're good to go. So do these two things every week, and this is for your memory refresh. What this does is this can reboot and clear out your memories device's memory, giving program a fresh start and potentially resolving issues. Also, for software issues, your reboots can simply help clear out temporary glitches, and for temporary glitches you can also check for software updates right here on the general. So let's head over to general and software update. So it can help you clear out temporary glitches or errors which are available in your device. And the last thing is the battery health. Some users believe that a weekly reboot can help give better battery performance. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.